And I went from riches to rags for reporting abuse out of people's jealousy, envy, and hate towards me because of the color of my skin, because of my gender, because of my sexual orientation, which is a heterosexual, because of my religion, because of my race, because of my native origin, and the rest of because ofs. I am supportive of Mayor Frank G. Jackson. I am supportive of him. He has some people in his around him that are not good, and every effort he makes to help me, it gets blocked by some of those people. And one of the things I like about him is that he decided to stay in the community to protect it like a watchman of the city of the gates. And he gets criticized for that, but it is what it is, and I respect him for that. And he also supports women. And many people are upset with him for employing these women. Many people. He also cares about the economy. He's made some major changes in terms of racial barriers. But right now I'm not here to talk about him. I'm here to talk about what I'm doing. If you can help me, I'd appreciate it. If you would like to help me, I'd appreciate it. My campaign phone number is 1216-548-0820. My church number, and this is another concern. Mr. Art McCoy, the community activist who's been beating on his wife, refuses to help me with my matters. I see him out here rallying, and Al Porter Jr. gave me access to the building for my church to be used there. And then when Mr. McCoy found out, he blocked it because he doesn't believe women are supposed to speak up and speak out. He doesn't like strong women. He likes women that can be subdued and be sexually exploited by men, and I don't appreciate that at all. So I'm not going to be combating and fighting with him. And Nate Simpson of Black Votes Matter says that it's not the church's responsibility, or the church has no business talking about domestic violence. I beg to differ with you, and I'm not begging you for anything. I'm saying I disagree with that. That's the problem. The church's mouth is closed on too much, not addressing real issues. It's an entertainment spot for too many people. They had the bar, the courts, and the church, and the sports. It's not an entertainment center. The only performance is the Holy Ghost. The synagogues used to have their place of worship, their education, their legal process, and what their community resources in their synagogues. As we, that number, my church phone number is 216-466-2872. My ecclesiastical coverings, tailoring tapestry and beyond, phone number is 1-216-571-0821. My NBN network is 1216. It's also DMP Productions, Destined Improvement Productions, PNP Publishing, and PNP Publications, where you can get a copy of my book, any of my books. One of them is Choose Life. It's on Amazon.com. It's also through my publishing entities, and it's also in Cleveland Public Library on the shelves. Prodigal Protocol, which is in the courts of the United States of America and in Oprah Winfrey's library that she used and exploited me through. And The Passages of Pamela, which is in the United States Library of Congress, which is poetry. And all of them are fact and not fiction. If you'd like to help me, if you're able to help me, if you're willing to help me, I do need some money. Today I was unable to attend something I really had desired to attend for different reasons. I'll leave that alone. But anyway, I need some assistance with transportation, finances, and other resources. I've been attending RGA board meetings for 15 years. There's some people, some plants that have been coming in there talking about they've been coming. They haven't been coming there for 15 years. I have been. I was attending RGA board meetings when I was homeless, which I'm basically still like that now. I have I'm being trafficked. I just put it like that right now. The law needs to be addressed, you all. They're playing games in House and Senate, in the Congress. They're playing games, I'm telling you. Anyway, you can mail me some finances to P.O. Box 608091, Cleveland, Ohio 44108. Or people know how to find me. People find me when they want something. I need some money. Money, as you said, preacher, come to me now. It is here now. I take that to the next level. And I need a pastor. I'd like to have a husband and wife team so there's no confusion. I am a licensed ordained apostolate, prophetess, evangelist, pastor, and teacher. However, I do need a covering. Not a smothering, a covering. So that I can sit at the table that's prepared for me in the presence of mine enemies. Because my cup runneth over. And my head is anointed with oil. I also need an attorney. I need an attorney, put it that way. Not just a lawyer, I need an attorney. Someone licensed to practice law, not someone who just passed the bar exam. You have my phone numbers. You have my contact information, and the church headquarters is 15415 Kipling Avenue, Cleveland, Ohio, 44110. And you can communicate with me through Mr. Alfred Porter Jr., the president of Black on Black Crime Incorporated, or attorney Dr. Betty K. Butts Pinckney or Charles E. Jackson Pinckney. And I do need my matters still addressed in the courts. It's causing a great inconvenience. My cousin is Sheriff Clifford Pinckney, who I do not have any access to because Dan Brady and Cuyahoga County Council call themselves trying to make a puppet out of him and are blocking him from investigating and arresting the people committing these crimes against me. And Administrative and Presiding Judge John J. Russo has my matters in his court that Judge Kathleen Ansatula, who's running for re-election, has blocked. And Chief Judge Patricia Gaughan in the United States District Court for the Northern District of Ohio has my matters also in her court that Judge Donald C. Nugent blocked when Congressman Lewis Stokes was alive. I can't say well, but alive. Thank you very much, and I pray that you have a blessed and a prosperous day. I bring this all to you with all of my rights reserved under the Bible and the USC in their entirety, the United States Constitution, and the Bible, the Queen Pamela version. King James has a few things that I have some challenges on, but I'll take it for what it is for right now.